Hey everyone, this is going to be a super quick install video on this wig from westkisshair. If you are interested in seeing how I install this unit completely glueless from start to finish, definitely continue watching.
Thought pink polos I hurt the ride before Cam got the shit to pop. The doors closed. I felt like bad boy streets.
Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So we are installing this grab and go glueless wig. All I did was throw a little bit of curls into the hair as absolutely nothing was needed to be done. It came pre-styled, the knots came pre-bleached, hairline pre-plucked, lace cut, a band already attached. It's literally the perfect wig for those who are constantly on the go and don't have time to really tend to putting on wigs or tending to like hair extensions and stuff like that. This is the perfect protective style and it's super fast and easy to do. I'll have the link to this wig down below in the description along with any available coupon codes. Now let's go ahead and get into this install video. So the wig we're working with today comes from Westkiss. Here is how the wig came packaged. And here is all of the goodies that come with it. You know, the lashes, the edge brush, the melt band, the whole nine. The wig itself, the lace came pre-cut, the knots were bleached, an elastic band was already attached on the inside, and the hair was already parted down the middle. And you guys know I am a sucker for a bust down the middle. And yeah, this is the inside of the cap. It's more so like a mesh dome cap, and it's super comfortable on the head. The hair even came pre-curled. However, I like my curls a little different. So of course, you know, I went in and I added some curls in myself and I pinned the top as well. I did not layer the hair whatsoever. And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys the hairline. I did not pluck the hairline, you guys. That hairline came straight from Westkiss as is. So here I am just putting on the wig now. And you guys, this is literally what I love about like closure wigs. And now that a lot of these companies are doing a lot of the customization beforehand, it really helps with those who are beginners because you can literally just take your wig out the package, throw it on and go. And that's what I typically do for my clients and customers. I make sure that their wig is ready to be worn out the package. So shout out to Westkiss for trying to take a girl job and you know, doing this and creating an easier way for a lot of us to protect our natural tresses. So yeah, here is how the hair looks. Now the hair does not seem to hold the curls that I put into the hair well. It's not holding the curls as well as I would like them to. So I think moving forward, what I'm going to do is use flexi rods. But yeah, overall, the install was super fast, quick, and easy. Y'all know one thing about me, I'm not going to hold you guys if I don't have to. Find the link to this wig and any available coupon codes down below in the description area. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.